Your first service is 1,000 kilometers, standard run-in service interval. Your next service is every 12,000 kilometers or every year, whatever comes first. The biggest mistake people make with bike maintenance is forgetting to service your motorcycle. Please make sure to service your motorcycles on their designated service intervals. Your basic maintenance that you can be doing weekly or monthly on your motorcycle is checking your chain, tightening it, cleaning it up, oiling it. That is your main thing because it is a chain-driven motorcycle. Check your oil every now and then, but it's not necessarily necessary. Your bike will let you know. Yeah, mainly give her a wash, definitely. I think that's an important one. A small maintenance habit that makes a massive difference on your motorcycle is washing your bike. Make sure your bike is clean. Make sure you've cleaned it after a nice muddy dirt ride or your occasional tour with all the insects that have splattered everywhere. Dirt gets in spots where it shouldn't be, so a good wash always helps your motorcycle's performance, and also it makes you feel good. How do you properly clean a motorcycle after a ride? Well, first of all, avoid high pressure washes, please, with motorcycles. There are cables, exposed sensors. Bikes do not like high pressure washes. So give it a nice rinse first. Make sure all the dirt's off, then go for your nice, your sponge and your soap, whatever you guys use. It does not scratch the bike then, and then give it a nice rinse and a dry afterwards. How often should you check your tires? Well, I personally check my tires every morning. You should check your tire pressures when your tires are cold. I normally pump my tires on specifically a 300 rally, around about 150 in front and 150 in the rear. How can you tell if your brakes need adjusting or replacing? Well, first of all, if your bike is not stopping, your brakes definitely need replacing. If you hear a bit of grinding noise, sometimes your brakes just need a bit of clean. You get some dirt and dust in there, so it does give a bit of a screech. If there's a constant grinding, constant rough feel to the brakes of the motorcycle, definitely take a look at replacing them. Regularly service your motorcycle. The Honda technicians will most definitely check your brakes for you. Regarding your suspension service, you won't need to worry about that. Your technicians at Honda check it every service. They make sure. If you do notice a little bit of oil coming out of your front suspension, just take a look there. It might just be sweat from your bike standing if you haven't ridden for a while, or if it is a constant sweat and there's substantial oil coming out of your front, definitely take a look at that. That might be your fork seals. How do you know when your chain needs to be replaced? Well, if you take a look at your chain and you see it sagging quite a lot, no matter how much you tighten it, that means your chain is stretched. So you're going to need to definitely replace your chain. If your chain is making a bit of noise, it might just need a bit of tension, so you do not need to stress there about replacing it. What type of chain lube do I recommend? Well, I personally prefer a dry chain lube, so wax over lube. I think it's much better. It lasts a lot longer. You may need to scrub it a little bit more, but it does its job.